Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a center console MOLLE panel installation in this Bronco Sport. So these are going to be pretty simple to get installed. We're working here on the passenger side of the vehicle. The panel is going to kind of orient and install just like this. We're going to mount to this general surface here. Basically what you're going to do, using the edges of the panel along with the molded edges of the interior, you can kind of line this up where you're going to be happy visually with the placement of the panel. And then you're also going to want to be paying attention to the 4 main mounting holes in here, just making sure that you have enough material surface behind there for the spacer to land on and the screws to thread in. Now once you're happy with the placement of the panel, there's kind of a couple ways you can get started. We're going to use this sharp prick point punch. As long as you can hold the panel in place where you want it, nice and steady, you can mark all 4 of these mounting holes at the same time. We're just working with plastic in here, so this punch should be enough to leave a nice mark at each of these locations. You could also use a small, like 16th inch drill bit for something like this, if that's what you have available. Now I kind of moved the panel out of the way, and then using that punch, I'm just going to go back and kind of make each of these holes a little more defined so that we have a nice pilot for our coarse thread screws provided in the bolt pack. Now the way these are going to fasten, we're going to provide you with these black coarse thread screws. Those are going to go through the front side of the MOLLE panel, and then here on the back at each mounting location you'll install one of the provided black nylon spacers. Go ahead and line that up with your marks or your holes here, and then using a Phillips driver on a drill carefully or a screwdriver, you can go ahead and begin threading that in. Now whichever one you start with, you can kind of leave just a little bit loose for now and then work your way around to the other 3 hole locations, following that same installation process with the spacers and the screws before coming back and tightening up all 4. So once you get all your hardware tight here, you can jump over to the other side and repeat that process to complete your installation. Now if you guys have any questions about this MOLLE panel install or any other product we offer here at JcrOffroad, feel free to reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@jcroffroad.com or give us a call at 269-353-1184.